Hello! I ordered Christmas cards this year from Zazzle with some of my watercolor illustrations on them, and I'm so excited to see how they turned out. I also have my own shop on Zazzle, which mainly has paper products like cards, posters, art prints, and recently I also started making my paper dolls available on Zazzle, both printed and as a digital download that you can go print yourself. So these cards would also be available for you to order as well. I'm always so impressed with the quality through Zazzle, and they're pretty affordable. I chose matte finish with rounded corners for my cards, but there's so many different options. These are just fabulous. The images came out so sharp and perfect. I could not be more excited. For artists, it's great because Zazzle also automatically includes a QR code on the bottom area of their prints, so that's awesome promotion for the artists because people can just scan that and then go right to their shop if they'd like to order something. Something else I've enjoyed getting from Zazzle in the past are their mugs. Excuse the coffee marks here, I actually was just drinking out of this. So this is one of my colored pencil drawings, and again the quality is so sharp, literally perfect. The design wraps all the way around, and I really enjoyed the option to pick a second color for the handle and a ring around the upper rim. You don't really see that a lot with customizable mugs, and I just thought that added a fun little design detail that makes it really unique and really just finishes it off. As a preview, here's some of my paper dolls I mentioned earlier. I had these on discount at a recent holiday art fair that I did. These are all hand-drawn illustrations, and I always loved paper dolls growing up, and you don't see them a lot really anywhere now, so I'm really excited about these. And I'm excited to make them available to more people, which is why I started putting them on Zazzle as well. As I mentioned earlier, there's two options. You can either just order a print, but what I would actually suggest is for $5 you can just get a digital download, and then you can get it printed wherever, however you want, and however many times that you want, especially if you're getting these for a kid. That's a good idea. If they get them dirty, spill something on them, they get all crinkled, you can just print a new one, no big deal. I'd suggest cardstock, heavyweight, cover stock paper, just something a little more sturdy so that they stand up well. But other than that, you can pick matte, glossy, whatever you'd prefer. So as you know, everywhere has great sales going this weekend. Zazzle as well has up to 50% off on all of their items, so I'm actually going to be posting a lot more to my shop today. So if you want to check it out, please go visit, see what I have. I will be adding. Thank you, and have an awesome Thanksgiving.